Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. So today I'm sharing my laundry cleaning routine with you guys. I do it my laundry cleaning maybe once in a while, not that much honestly. But when I saw too much spills around the countertop, at the countertop, because most of the time my kids do the laundry, and I'm gonna share one easy, really working tip. It's the old socks. Whenever you use the old sock, this is the best things you can use for cleaning, and just throw it into the machine again and it will be clean. The rip one, the lost one. So I saw the when I saw my machine, I was actually shocked. I saw a mold and very dirty, but surprisingly it was smells fine because we do the laundry regularly. My kids do the laundry, so always use the hottest cycle, which was on my machine 1 hour 2 minutes, and then hammer baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of baking soda, and few drops of essential oil. It's not necessary, but if you want, I use the tea tree oil and 1 cup of baking soda. Throw it into the drum. I use some around the rim because rim was actually in pretty bad condition. Mostly I saw a very deep dirt. So first I'm doing the laundry cleaning, do the wait for the whole cycle done, and then I think I should use some elbow grease because for a very long time I didn't do that. And even if it's not that working, maybe I will remove that rubber around the rim and do it by my hand. But let's see. So I'm putting vinegar in the cleaning cycle, and I put the baking soda also, and but most baking soda I throw it into the machine, and then start the cycle. It should be the hottest one and the longest one, and let the magic happen. Till then I start cleaning the machine, around the machine and the countertop. So now the cycle is done. So this is the moment of truth. I still saw a lot of dirt, but it smells really good, fresh. But I think I will use my second technique, which I always use the drying sheets. Never throw the used drying sheets, always keep it because this is the best things to clean your machine. Let's see. It's take all the dirt away and it smells good. So I use quite a few drying sheets around the rim, in the rim. So if you like the video so far, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and I'm mostly upload the video about the home decorating content and the Dollarama shopping content. So soon I'm gonna share my laundry makeover video with you guys. So you have to subscribe for that if you like that kind of content. And now it's done. I'm really happy with the results actually. And then I think I got the bucket and soaked my socks. I love this because in right front of your eyes it's all gone, and no scrubbing because socks already have that scrubbing power, so it's very easy to use. I use it all the time. So this is actually the second tip. One, you should have a drying sheets, and the second, the socks. So keep watching.